So guys, JEE final answer key is out, and I think by the time you're watching this video, result also must be out, right? And now you already know what is your percentile. Now, those students who have low percentile, right, and the financial thing is also not that sound, and they are thinking that, ma'am, my percentile is low, but ma'am, I want a college which gives me good education, but less fees should be there. Ma'am, I can't afford such high fees for private colleges. Now, ma'am, what to do? See, private colleges, there are tons of private colleges out there for low percentile as well, but the fees is very high. So the combination that you are asking me is low fees and low percentile, which is a very tricky combination. And this, we don't have so many colleges. There are some selected colleges that we have selected for you, and the problem is that students don't know only about these colleges, and that is why they end up not getting the admission, right? So this video is for all the students who are right now feeling very disappointed. This is going to lift you up, right? Because you know that, okay, these are the colleges that you should target, right? So let's start with this video where we are going to see the top colleges in low percentile of JEE. Let's talk about that, right? So guys, before that, stay connected to me, stay subscribe to the channel, because all these videos, one missed information, because now counseling has started, right? Must be starting in few days, right? Documents, right? Verification, right? The rounds, special rounds, which colleges you should apply to, what are the counseling that you should apply to, what is the process of that. So everything I'm going to tell you in this particular channel. So stay connected and stay subscribed, because a notification will pop up so that no information gets missed here, right? Because right now one thing is gold, and that is information, right? So let's talk about that. Firstly, in 2026, what is the percentile and marks expected ratio? If you see, 99 percentile are above 168 marks. 98 to 99 percentile is 131 to 187. 95 to 98 percentile is 100 to 150. Now, 93 to 95 students are 88 to 123. They still have so many colleges here. Then you have 90 to 93 percentile, that is from 73 to approximately 70 to 110. Right, and the rank you can see 1,19,000, 1,47,000. In lakhs you have 1 lakh, you have your rank here. Now for the students who have percentile less than 80%, they have marks, they must have marks less than 70, right? Now for those students I am making this video. What is the college that you should target? Let's talk about that, okay? Especially for these students I am talking about, right? So watch this video very carefully. First college, right, that I am talking about, take a notebook and write down all the colleges that I am telling you. First college is Birsa Institute of Technology, right, Sindri. Now, see, one thing I want to tell you, let's be frank here, right? If a college is good, the fees is low, all the students would want to go there, right? That means the rank will be also low there. That means the percentile will be high. Now you are demanding low percentile. That means there will be some kind of thing that you have to adjust with, right? That may be the city. The city may be small, right? Maybe the branch will not be of your choice. So you have to adjust on that thing. One thing you have to compromise here, right? So let's see what you can compromise, right? Accordingly, you can select your college here. See, Birsa Institute of Technology, right? Here it is in Jharkhand, right? And in Dhanbad, Jharkhand, total area you can see 450. Now, class 12 criteria is minimum 45%, right? Compulsory maths, physics, and chemistry or bio is optional. Now, 4-year fees for 4 years is 62,000, 63,000. You can see this is lowest fees that you can see here, right? Okay. Then average package is 7.57 LPA, which is good, right? So ROI is 121.1. No, it's not 120, it's 1,000. It's 12,000% is the ROI, because the fees is very low, but the package is good, right? So this was the college. As you can see here, 2025 cutoff, we can see from here, chemical branch, you can see here the rank was 1,60,000. And what is the difference in last round and special round? Last round is the last round that happens, and after that the seats, if they are also not filled, then the special round takes place, right? Now, then there is civil engineering. For here, you can see around 1,60,000, 70,000. In special round, it has increased. Now, here we'll see the rank that had went up to 2 lakh as well is production and industry engineering, right? So these are the things that you have here. Now, here computer science still is here. You can see at computer science the rank is 80,000, 97,000. So definitely it is difficult for those students who have low percentile to get admission for computer science here. But for other branches, you can get admission. And sometimes there is an example in my class as well, right? There was a girl in my class who went into textile engineering. I will not recommend this, but she made it happen. So she went into textile engineering, right, in NIT. And because she was not getting admission anywhere else, so she had quotas, she went into textile engineering. Everyone was like, this is like she is doing a stupidity and all. But then what she did internal internships and all she did, right? She worked on her skills, and she convinced her teachers to sit her in the internal placement round, and she got her package in Reliance, right? And after that, because of her good work, now she's in London and very well settled, right? So that's one of the examples from textile engineering, but a good college. She is now, leveled up herself. So you also can be that example here, right? If you have some other, but this is not a recommended path, because in that you have to struggle a lot, right? And some colleges don't even let you sit in that placement cell of computer engineering aspirants as well, right? Next is University School of Automation and Robotics, GGSIPU Delhi, right? Now here, this is one of the best colleges. This is the city is also Delhi, so that is why the here this one, the fees has increased. So I told you one thing, you have to compromise. There you compromise on which thing? You compromise on the branch as well and on the city as well. Here the city is Delhi, you will get a lot of opportunities here, but here the fees is around 10 lakhs, you can see, and the LPA is 6.11, and here 66% is the ROI. Now let's talk about the cutoff here. As you can see, automation and robotics, which is a very good branch, right? Very good. It has a lot of potential, right? Now in this, 2 lakh was the rank. Now if you have potential for 10 lakh, then you should definitely go for this one, right? You can also go for educational loan here, right? That also I'm telling you. So many of my friends, right, because I did BSc MSc from government college itself, right? So my fees was very low, right? But one of my friends, they have done in private college and they took loan, right? So see if talk to like the bank people as well for if this for this particular college loan is available or not, right? So that you can itself, you yourself after your education can pay the price for that. Then there is Kamla Nehru Institute of Technology, Sultanpur, and here it is in UP. If you see here, fees is nominal only, 2,20,000 is a very nominal fees, right? So better than this GGSIPU, right? That was 10 lakh. So here the average package is also good, that is 8.3 LPA. Return on investment is around 400%. This all is from the official data, and but here you have to, like, if you're from UP, right, then it will be very easy for you. Otherwise, if you're from South India, then that will be a very difficult task for you, right? Because it's a city where English you will see rarely. If you don't know Hindi, then it will take time for you to settle here, right? Otherwise, it's a very beautiful place, right? But yes, if you're from South, then you need to think about this. It will be little challenging for you, but the fees is very good and the placement is very good here. That means the teachers, the opportunities are provided good here, right? You can see here in civil engineering, the rank is 2,30,000. That was the lowest rank here. And if I talk about computer science, that is 62,000 only. That is like good amount of rank that you have. So here computer science will be a task here, right? Computer science is not easy to achieve. In Birsa, it is better. In Birsa, computer science was at a much higher at around 80,000 it was. School of Engineering, Tezpur University, here it's in Assam, right? So here for all the North Indian students, it will be difficult for you to, you will be like, it will be too much away from your house. If you're comfortable in that, perfectly fine. Assam is also a very beautiful place if you want to explore, right? Then 60% aggregate including PM and a language. Now here, fees is also nominal, 2 lakh, right? Then average package is 6 LPA, ROI is 300%, which is good enough, right? And here you can see in civil engineering, the rank is around 2 lakh as we have seen before. But here also for computer science, it is some 60,000 and here it is 85,000, right? Now let's talk about Jabalpur Engineering College, right, in Madhya Pradesh. Now here it is 10 plus 2, 45 aggregate, and here the fees is very low, right? 57,000. So this is also top college for all the students, right, who are looking for less fees here. And the average package according to the fees is very good, 5 LPA. So that means some 86, some 900% you can see, 800%, which is a very good thing for you, right? Because see, this I am talking about average, right? And I'm telling you one more thing here, right? It's not like in these colleges, right? Some colleges will have placement cell, and I'm telling you this thing. Some colleges don't have government college, because I have also been studied from government college only. They do provide you opportunities, definitely, right? But the links, they are not like Google and Microsoft kind of links. You will not see here, right? So that will be a task for you, but otherwise it will be like if you have good skills, right, you have enough skills that you can yourself apply for internships, right? You can yourself go and apply your resumes on LinkedIn, right? Then teachers will help you, right? But don't expect like some big companies will come there and placements and all will happen. In some colleges you will find, in some colleges you will have to, do your own thing in next 4 years. You have to build yourself here, right? It will not be provided to you in a plate, right? You have to do efforts, you have to put efforts in that. And I think you can do it. It's not that of a big deal. You can easily do that. Even I have done that, right? You can do that, right? So now, if you see here, the rank civil engineering is like 4 lakh. That is like good news for all the students here, right? Then if you see for civil engineering, artificial intelligence and data science is also good. Like the rank is 1 lakh for artificial intelligence, and the fees is also very less, right? So I think what better than this? Fees is less for artificial intelligence, it is less. For computer science, it is still 78,000, but I think now this rank will little drop because now students have more interest in AI as compared to the last year, right? So you will see changes in artificial intelligence as well. The students are more opting for AI now. Then Lalbhai, Dalpatbhai College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. Now this too is a very beautiful city, right? Very beautiful city. So here you can see, if you're also from South India, right, then you don't need to worry about this, right? It's a very beautiful city, well developed city, right? Then 4 years here for boys, it is 8100, right? And here for boys and girls, wait a minute, boys and girls, 3800. That is such a good amount, right? So here too, you can see the ROI is 554, like you can see around 6,000, because the fees is very low here. Fees is very low, right? Let's see the, here you can see robotics and automation, the rank is also 9 lakh. But here there is one problem. You will be like so happy here, ma'am, yay! The problem is that here 90% of the seats are reserved for Gujarat people, right? So if you're from Gujarat, then this is the best option for you, right? You can see the rank also 9 lakh, 9 lakh, 9 lakh. These are the ranks here, right? And here you can see computer engineering, AI also 9 lakh, right? Robotics automation also 9 lakh, right? So rank is also, you can easily, very low percentile it is, right? And the fees is also very low here. So what better than this? So all the Gujarat students, this is like a win-win situation for you, right? Then there is the Maharaja Sayajirao, University of Baroda, right? Again, Vadodara, Gujarat, right? If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry, right? Then, yes, class 1240, it is 1,50,000. It is also very like nominal fees for BTech for 4 years, right? Average package is 5 LPA, ROEs is also 300, that is good, right? If you see here also in textile, as I told you, one of the examples of that, na, textile engineering is 9 lakh 30, though I don't recommend this. You should go to that engineering only where you are actually you want to work, right? Because the thing that I am telling you is 10 years back, right? So right now very rare students would be able to do that, but these are the cases that happens, but I would not recommend that, right? Then in civil engineering also it is some 9 lakh. If you see computer science, it is 9 lakh. Again, it is like good amount only, right? Okay. Then there is Puducherry, right? Puducherry Technological University, right? And here the fees is around 7 lakh. You can see average package is 4.5 LPA. ROI is less here, 60 like 70%, but it is good for those students who are getting rank of this. Like you can see here, that is like 10 lakh rank, right? 10 lakh rank for the home state. The rank is very less here, right? That means here you can see 12 lakh is the rank here, lowest for mechanical engineering, right? So these are the benefits here, right? And this is from a private source, from official source. There was no data provided, so we were not able to get that. Then University Institute of Technology RGPV Bhopal, right? So here also it is in Madhya Pradesh, and you can see overall fees is like 1 lakh for 4 years. Average package is 4 LPA, and here ROI is 400%, and this is from the official source here. You can see 13 lakh was the last rank here for petrochemical, and that is for home state. And for all India state, all India, you can see 1 lakh, 8 lakh. For computer science, wait a minute, 8 lakh, that's good, right? Migrant seat, okay, Jammu and Kashmir migrant seat was, okay, this we are talking about computer science, Jammu and Kashmir migrant seat is for 8 lakh, this all India rank. That is obviously because very few people will be there. So this category I am not thinking, right? Because this is very few people will be Jammu and Kashmir migrant here. Let's talk about this one, right? It is 90,000, right? So if you want to get into computer science, all India quota 90,000, for here it is 1 lakh. That is good amount, right? So as you can see the full data, I'll also provide you with the PPT here. You can let me know in the comment section, right? What is your score? What is your percentile, right? That you got from the results, so that we can help you, those students as well who are currently in that situation that percentile is low, ma'am, I don't know at which college I should take admission, what are the counseling that I should go for. So everything I'll tell you on this particular channel. So stay connected to this channel, and do let me know in the comment section what is the percentile that you are getting here. Till then, bye bye, take care. This is Diksha signing off.